I have someone message me just now and ask whether he should start a business by borrow money from the bank. He said he'll be managed to get 75K from the bank with a very low interest. And my immediate response to him is that you never borrow money to start a business, because in business actually there's just too many uncertainty. And if you're new to business, if you do not understand about business model, you do not understand about sales and marketing, you're not good in generate more money, then you have in big troubles, because you can burn all the monies in just a matter of months. And how do you want to pay back the bank loan? And the second thing is, we start a business from zero. You see, we don't even borrow, but we at the time actually what I do is I work at the same time and start a business at the part time. So eventually, what I want to highlight is it's not about you need capital to start a business. There's always some business you can start without a big budget. Perhaps you can start from zero. So you just have to work hard. The next thing, how do you want to achieve this kind of status, like start from zero to make money, to quit your job and so on, or to start a business, is to find a high income skills, all right, particular in marketing and particular in sales, because these are the only two skills, these two high income skills that brings you money. Even though you work as a solopreneur, even though you work as a service provider, if you master these two, it brings you money, because you help people to generate results, to get sales, get leads, close sales, and in return, they pay you. In return, they give you commissions. That will be a safer way to do this. And you say you have a big dream, say you want to open a big cafe and so on, franchise, then I will ask you to come back to look back at what's your stages that you're in right now, and then start to be resourceful. Actually, how do you want to utilize your current resources? And at the same time, you have to be patient. At the same time, stay in the line, queue in the line until you achieve the success. There's really no shortcut to do it. And there's a lot of homework need to be done. What is your high income skills? What is your niche that you want to go, right? How you want to learn it? You want to learn it by your own, or you want to find a mentor to learn it? So these are many things that you need to take into considerations. So never borrow money to start a business.